Hello my beautiful human beings, welcome back to my channel. If you have never seen my face before, hello, my name is Brooke. I post makeup and beauty related content weekly and would love for you to subscribe to my channel and join the squad we've got going here on YouTube. But for today's video, I wanted to bring to you guys a daytime glam wearable, kind of sultry, smoky, but still daytime look. I wanted to focus on not using any kind of crazy colors in today's look and keeping it relatively neutral and wearable because I know that colorful looks aren't practical for everyone on a day-to-day basis. And so if you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with my Angel Veil Primer by NYX, and I'm going to be putting this all over my face with a synthetic brush. This is just a flat foundation brush. And then once that is on, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Born This Way. That's Too-Faced. What am I talking about? This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I have the one for oily skin, and I'm applying this with my Morphe M439 brush. This is my favorite drugstore foundation and my favorite foundation brush in general, so if you have the chance to try either of these out, I would highly recommend it. But I'm just going to blend this all over my face and then bring that down my neck. And then picking up my Bye Bye Under Eye by IT Cosmetics, I'm going to be applying this to my under eye area with my ring finger just to conceal and correct any darkness, and I'm also going to be bringing this on top of my lid just to act as a primer. Now picking up my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which has been my favorite concealer for what feels like ever now. Like, I have not found a concealer that I love as much as this one for the past couple of months. So actually, if you guys have any suggestions for great concealers, let me know down below because I really should step out of my comfort zone and try something new. But I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes and down the center of my face to help brighten and balance out that highlight. Now picking up my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow Highlighter in the shade Perla. This is one of my all-time favorite products, and it has been for the past couple of months because it adds such a nice luminous finish to the skin, but it doesn't look too chunky. And then I'm just going to be going in with this contour kit by Anastasia and picking up that shade Banana and using this to set my under eye. My brush right now is losing the handle, so just ignore that. That's why it looks a little weird. But after that, I'm just going to go in with my BareMinerals BarePro powder and set the rest of my face with this. I love this powder because it adds a nice light layer of coverage while setting my makeup, but it doesn't make my face look or feel too heavy or cakey. Now going back into that contour kit and picking up that lower middle shade in the shade Fawn and contouring the perimeters of my face with this, and then also going in and contouring my nose. Next, picking up my Sonia Kashuk blush in the shade Flamingo, I'm going to be putting this right above where I put that bronzer in more of an angled shape. Now picking up my favorite drugstore bronzer, which is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I'm just going to go in and blend this over top of that contour to help warm up my face, but also to blend it out a bit. Now going in with one of my all-time favorite highlighters, this is Mary Lou by theBalm. I'm just going to be applying that over top of my cheekbones, a little bit on my Cupid's bow, and also a little bit on the tip of my nose. Now whoa, that was not English. Okay, moving on. Now I will be going in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil, and I love this pencil because it has a very nice fine tip, so you're really able to go in and clean up the brows, sculpt the brows, and add each individual brow hair, which I love. And I'm just going to speed over this because it's kind of a long process, but if you guys want to see an in-depth brow tutorial, I would love to film that for you guys, so just let me know by leaving a comment down below or giving this video a thumbs up, and I will gladly film that for you guys. Going over top of that with my Gimme Brow by Benefit. I love this stuff. It is the perfect brow gel to hold your brows in place all day and still add a little bit of extra color and volume. So now moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be picking up my Dusty Rose shadow from this Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to be putting this into my crease as my transition shade, blending that back and forth in windshield wiper motions, and then slightly blending it up towards the brow bone once there is little to no product left on the brush. Picking up the shade Rustic from the same palette, I'm going to be focusing that on my outer corner and slightly into my crease to build some definition. Now I'm taking the shade Cypress Umber, which is that dark brown shade right there, and I'm going to be focusing this once again on that outer corner and slightly into that crease, and all this is going to do is just add more depth and definition. Now for the star of the show, I'm going to be going in with the shade Rose Pink or Rose Pink, I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I'm just spraying a synthetic brush with some MAC Fix Plus just to give this shadow more of a foiled finish, and I'm just going to be putting this all over the lid except on that outer corner. I'm leaving that blank because that is where we want the definition. So now I'm going to be doing wing liner, and I'm actually going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Chocolate to do so. This is just a nice rich brown chocolate shade, and I prefer using this lately instead of black liner just because it adds definition but it looks very soft on the eye, which I love. Then I'm applying mascara and lashes, and for mascara I just applied my Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit, and for lashes I will be using my Trace Chic lashes in the style Chloe. Now picking up one of my favorite liners at the moment, this is Morphe's liner in the shade Richie. It's just a nice warm brown shade, and I'm just lining my lower waterline with that and then blending it out with that sienna shade from the same palette and just making that so that my under eye is really nice and smoked out and blown out. I really need to go back to school and take English class again because clearly I'm not doing so well lately. But I'm just going to be blending that out after I apply it so my lower lash line is just nice and smoked out like I said. And then just going in with a quick coat of mascara on those lower lashes before moving on to my lips. And for lips today, I will be using my Morphe liquid lip in the shade Lulu. I'm going to start off by putting this all over, but then I wasn't too happy with how it looked, so I went back in with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Sweet Tea and lined my lips with that just to add some definition. And then I thought I would be super extra and add a very light shade to the middle of my lips, so I used Jeffree Star's I'm Nude to do so. Alright, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I wanted to do something that was a little bit more defined on the eyes, but still on the natural, daytime, wearable, practical side. So if you guys enjoyed, I have makeup all over my hands and I'm getting it all over myself. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Whoa, that was not right. Click that subscribe button down below and feel free to leave comments letting me know what kinds of videos you would like to see next or how your day is going or whatever. Just I really enjoy talking to you guys, so feel free to drop some comments down below. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.